In this video, we are going to talk about a cool prompt technique, Act As. You'll see what it is and how to use it in ChatGPT. So what's As? It's a trick where you tell ChatGPT to pretend it's an expert in a certain area. You can make it act like a pro in a field, like a scientist or a chef. Why use this trick? Well, it's great when you want expert advice or info without wasting time looking it up. When should you use Act As? Whenever you want to get super smart answers from an expert's point of view. Let's see the difference between a regular question and one where we use Act As. When you ask a general question with no special info, you usually get a basic answer. For example, if you say, "Give me 3 tips to manage time better," you might get tips like prioritize tasks or use timers. But here is the cool part. When you say, "Act as a time management expert and help me manage time better," ChatGPT acts like a time guru and gives you awesome advice. You'll get tips like which is a fancy way to manage time. See how much better it gets when you use Act As. So remember this trick when you need smart advice from an expert. It's like having a pro right at your fingertips.